Hello students, today I will explain you about the predeterminers. Yesterday I have given you this table. If you remind, then if you are remember that I have given this table and I have divided the determiners in three parts. Okay, predeterminers, central determiner, post determiners. Predeterminers we have further classified multiple fraction, intensifier and quantifier. Now I will explain about these four classifications of predeterminers and what is the structure of the predeterminers. Okay. So predeterminers students always placed before the definite or indefinite articles, and the structure of the predeterminer is like this. As we knew that determiners always fixes the noun, okay, it fixes the word and it always come before a noun, not after a noun. While on the other hand, adjective we can use before and after, okay, after a noun or before a noun. But determiners never use after a noun. It is always used before a noun, and it always fix the word. So predeterminers plus definite or indefinite articles, adjective plus noun. Okay. Then you can see here, I have taken the example of intensifier. First we will see, suppose multiplier. Okay. First we will start from multiplier. It is used to express more than the specified amount. It is used to express more than the specified amount. You can see, I will also explain you in your exercise that I have given you for the homework. Okay. So here his burger is twice the size of mine. It means it is showing the size of the burger which is twice the size of some other person's burger. Okay. Then fractions, it is used to express fraction of an amount. Okay. Fraction of an, we have read in the maths also how we fragment the words. So her bus will arrive in half an hour. So we have fragmented that, we have the fraction of the time here, half an hour. It means 1/2. Then intensifiers here that I have written rather, quite, such we use as an intensifier, and it expresses surprise, disappointment and pleasant. Okay, it refers to the degrees of a particular quality as expressed by the adjectives that modifies the noun, and they express same disappointment, pleasure and other emotions. Example is, it was quite a nice day. It is showing the pleasure. Then it's a rather a small car. It means he wants a bigger car. He is disappointed that he was not happy with his small car. So it's a rather small car. Okay, so that is the taunting way he has stated the sentence. Then we have the others. In the other, I have told you all or both we use. Okay, it is used to express an entire amount, like all her friends came to her. So this shows the whole entire amount of a noun. So now you better understand that where we have to use the predeterminer. This I will send you. Just remind this in your mind, and then point out the determiners, or whenever you fill the blanks, you just keep this in the mind, that whether it is the predeterminer or whether it is the post determiner. So this I am giving to you. Just note down this in your notebook. Then I will come to the book exercise.